These behind-the-scenes practical effects videos are blowing up right now, and they look completely real and cinematic. Take a look at this account. It already has several videos with millions of views, and one clip alone has hit 773 million. A hand-built miniature city, a 40-foot wave tank, months of work packed into one take. Fortunately, it's not real. I'm going to show you exactly how to make these yourself. First, go to aicenturies.com, click GPT library, search behind the scenes, and click Start Chat. In the GPT, you'll see 4 buttons. Click Start. It gives you 2 steps. First, pick a disaster: tsunami, volcano, explosion, tornado, flood, or meteor. Next, give it a place. Name a city or landmark, or upload a skyline photo. Reply with the number plus the place. In this case, I'll type 1 plus Statue of Liberty and send it. The GPT writes back 2 things: an image prompt and a matching video prompt. Both are styled like an amateur behind-the-scenes phone clip, so copy the image prompt. Head to OpenArt, click Create Image. Set the model to GPT Image 2 and paste the prompt. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16 and the resolution to 2K. Then choose how many images you want and click Generate. You get 2 versions of the same shot: a giant practical wave breaking over a small Statue of Liberty model. Back in ChatGPT, copy the video prompt you just generated. Head back to OpenArt, switch to the Video tab, and use Seedance 2.0 Mini as the model. Add the image you generated as the start frame and paste the video prompt into the prompt box. For settings, set the aspect ratio to 9:16. Keep the resolution at 720p and stretch the duration to 8 seconds. Click Generate. You get an 8-second clip. It opens calm, the wave builds and crashes over the model, and the shot settles to reveal it still standing once the spray clears. That's it. You only need 1 image prompt and 1 video prompt. I also generated some extra examples you can see here. You'll find all the links and tools I used in this video in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe.